Oh, we are breaking down Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin together. Let's look at Bitcoin. That's a support area. It's a support area, guys. You can see. The rejections that we have around this area. You can see the rejections that we have. So many rejections. So many rejections. There's the other one. Okay. These are signs that shows this area is being respected. It is strong. Price is failing to break below. The price is failing to break below this area. You can see Bitcoin is respecting this area. So let's switch to the 1 hour time frame. See what the 1 hour time frame is showing us. Okay. In the 1 hour time frame, see the last low that has been taken out. It's this one. With this low that has been taken out, price broke below. Price broke below, meaning that now we have an order block here. There's an order block here. This connect as our target. Okay, it's very important to mark these areas. These are areas that you should mark so that you will know what to do when price approaches these zones. Okay, so now that we have our order block here, we have our order block. We also have our this thing. We also have our demand area. We have our support area. Our support area. Okay, let's switch to the 15-minute. This is Bitcoin. We're looking at Bitcoin, looking for an opportunity. So when price is at your key level or at your POI, you must look for a confirmation. You look for confirmation when price is right at the area of sensitivity or an area where you are looking to take a trade. When price is at that support or resistance, if you want to take a buy on support, look for confirmation. If you want to take a sell on a resistance, look for confirmation before you take that sell. Don't just enter a sell because price is at resistance. Don't just enter a buy because price is at the support. Look for confirmations, guys. Very important. Now, what I personally look for at an area where I'm looking to take a trade, whether it's support or resistance, I look for three things. I look for liquidity sweep. Number one, I look for liquidity sweep. Number two, I look for failure to swing. Number three, I look for change in direction, okay, or change instead of delivery. Those are the things that I look for around these areas. So now here on Bitcoin, we have this area, we have this high, okay, we have this high that we are waiting patiently for the market to break so that we know what to do, okay, so that we know what to do. I hope, guys, the chart is clear. You can see the chart, okay. We're breaking down. We're about to take, I'm looking for a buy on Bitcoin, but remember, in the market, we don't predict, we just react to whatever that is happening. We are not here to predict that it will go up or go down. We're here to react to what the market is showing us. We follow what the market is telling us. Okay. So now, oh my God. Okay, guys, we are having a liquidity sweep here. Okay. Then the price went up. Now, price failed to swing below. So what we are waiting for is that price pushes towards the upside. When price breaks above, this zone and it closes, we are going to, let me remove this. We're going to look for a buy on this fair value gap. You can see here there is a fair value gap here. Yeah? There's a fair value gap here. Okay. We have a fair value gap. Yeah. We're having a fair value gap there. So meaning we are looking for a buy opportunity. We're expecting the market to shoot up. We're waiting for market to shoot up to this area. Patiently waiting. When it breaks above here, we will know that now we should take our buy entries. This fair value gap has been respected, but now we are supposed to wait, guys, for price. Let me just place this here for now. We are waiting for price. If oh my god, if the market breaks above, we wait for it to come and retest whatever area that is here, then we take the buy. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. Right now, I'm just going to be watching what is happening. I'll watch what is happening. We are not going to execute any trade. We are going to wait. Okay, you wait. Let me just remove because people will end up buying. Hey. Okay. This is what I'm waiting for. Okay. Because so this is part of my confirmation patterns around. Let me remove also this thing. Okay. Waiting for the market to. Okay. Let me just put this fair value gap. Fair value gap. That's a fair value gap there. Are you guys good? We are not executing any trade, guys, for now. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. Waiting for the market to break above. You know why I say you should wait, guys? It's because the price can still Bitcoin can still push towards the downside like this, or maybe from here it can still push and like this. So it's very important to wait and be patient because this is Bitcoin. Remember, it's very aggressive. It's So up until I see something like this, I won't take any buy. I want to see something like this before I take a buy. I don't care if the market is just at the fair value gap. I don't care about the fair value gap, man. Just want to see the market breaking above this zone in the market here. Just want to see the market breaking above this zone before I take a buy. When it breaks above here, then I'll buy. Until up until this high. Buy it up until this high. Yeah. Then my stop loss will be right below this area. See, it should be right below this area. Yeah. For now, let's just wait, guys. Let's just watch what the market is doing. Let's just watch what the market is doing. Hey guys, good. Guys, remember, I'm not saying the market will do like this. I'm not saying the market will do exactly as I drew on this chart. I'm just this is just what I'm expecting the market to do before I take a buy. Before I take a buy, this is what I'm expecting the market to do. I'm not saying it will do exactly like this. Let's patiently wait. I'll repeat. I'm not saying the market will do exactly as I drew on this chart, but this is just I'm just showing you what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do before I look for buying opportunities. Okay, guys, can you send Giovanna? Taylor, hi. How are you guys? Akloki, how are you guys? How are you guys? Is there anyone who was trading gold today or yesterday? Is there anyone who was trading gold yesterday? Where I am, it's 10 minutes past 1 a.m. What time is it where you're watching? Where I am, it's 1 a.m. and I'm busy monitoring Bitcoin. I'm monitoring Bitcoin, waiting for a breakout. Patiently waiting for a breakout above this zone. Waiting for a breakout above this zone. Clock at entry zone. We will be able to get an entry zone after the breakout. The breakout is what will determine the entry zone. Right now, I cannot tell, to be honest. I cannot tell where to enter. You should wait for that breakout, and then I will be able to tell you where to enter. Kwanele Pele, how are you, man? I see you. Look, are you also watching Bitcoin? Kwanele Pele, want to join? You want to join what, man? You want to join the channel? Just check the description of this live video. Open the description of this live video, and then you'll get the link to our WhatsApp trading channel. From there, that's where you'll get the entry and exit point. But for now, we are just monitoring. We are watching. We are waiting for the entry and exit point. I know there are those that have already placed some buy entries here. There are those that have already placed some buy entries around this area. You see, still very early for us to buy. Still very early, because you can be taken out. If you bought here, it's an aggressive entry, because price can still push, go straight towards the downside. If you place a buy here, you are very aggressive. You are risking. Uh, don't know how to put it, man. But yeah, if you placed an entry here, it's an aggressive. If you placed a buy around this area, it's an aggressive entry, man. Are you sure price will will shoot up? Are you sure? Because we have a resistance here. This acts as a resistance, guys. This area acts as a resistance. This line acts as a resistance. So price can, from here, it can push towards the downside. It's possible. We are not in control of the market. It's possible for price to push towards the downside. That's why it's very important to wait for confirmation. Wait for the market to break. When it breaks here, to give us like a change instead of delivery, or change of character. You see? Then that's where you know that now the market is about to push towards the downside. But also, that is not enough. If it breaks above and close, you wait. You look for whatever order block or value gap that it will give around this area. Then from there, you look for an entry. That's the best way to enter the market. I'm not saying it's 100% accurate. The WhatsApp link, guys, it's in the description. Check the description. You will see the WhatsApp link there. It will take you to our WhatsApp. You see, George is saying price will definitely drop. Price will definitely drop. Let's see. That's why we are waiting. Price can drop. Yes, I agree with George. Yeah, is it George? Yo? Yeah, man. Whatever. Price can drop. Is true. That's why we wait for confirmation. But entering a sell here is also risk, and entering a buy is also not wise. The link, guys, the link it's in our, just check any video of this channel, any video, choose any video, and then you go to the description section. You get the link to our WhatsApp trading channel. There is no app that you need. Just need your WhatsApp, man, and your MetaTrader, whatever platform that you use to trade. I'm not selling anything, guys. There's nothing that I'm selling. I'm not selling courses. I'm not. Okay. I'm not selling signals. I'm not selling any signals. On our WhatsApp trading channel, you just get signals, setups, and entry and exit points. Yeah. We'll see, Giorgio. We'll see if price will drop. If it drops, then we'll look for entries also to enter for a sell. This is Bitcoin. And the reason why, guys, I'm saying I'm not looking for selling opportunities is because Bitcoin is right at the major support. Let me show you the daily time frame. Quickly show the daily time frame. The daily time frame. You can see what is happening on the daily time frame, guys. Let me just quickly show you. See what is happening on the daily. Look here. See? Bitcoin is just testing the major support. Price, it came here and got, look at this big rejection. Shows that this area is very strong. And also here, you can see there's a very big rejection. Shows that price is very strong. So number one, this is the first confirmation for you to look for buying opportunities. This is the first confirmation. Look at this rejection, and from here price pushed very strong towards the upside. And also here we have a rejection. Even now, like the price is being rejected around this area, showing that here there's a lot of buying opportunities. People are, let me not say people, okay? There's a lot of buying opportunities around this area. There's a lot of, it's very strong. This area is very strong. It is being respected. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks here. We have 5 weeks. That shows that price is being rejected up around this area. So that is why I'm saying I'm looking for buying opportunities and not for sales. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. You see what the 15-minute time frame showing us. Remember, this zone is from the daily time frame. This zone is from the daily time frame. Look at what the price, how the price is reacting around this zone, not the fair value gap, around this zone. Look at how the price is reacting. So here you can see, try to come around this area, pushes towards the upside. Each and every time it approaches this area, it's being pushed towards the upside. Okay, so selling here, I don't see it as a wise move. Rather, wait for the price to break above. When it breaks above, you wait for it to retest. Then you look for buying opportunities around here. Yeah. That's my view, guys, on Bitcoin. That's my view on Bitcoin. Let me remove this area because to confuse you. I also remove this. As remember, I'm not saying price will do exactly as I placed my trend lines. No. But this is just to show you what I'm expecting. Trying to show you what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do before I take a buy. I'm not going to buy right at the value gap. Why? Because according to this zone, and this zone is like, okay, the market is between it's trading sideways. Okay, just put it like that. On the 15-minute time frame, it is trading sideways, so there is no clear direction. But once there is a breakout, there will be a clear direction of where the market is going. Guys, forex trading is all about waiting. It's all about discipline. From my experience trading, I would say it's 30% technical and 70% psychological. Forex trading or crypto, it's 30% technical and 70% psychological. If you are not right psychologically, it will be very difficult for you to make money in the market. Why? Because the market will play with your emotions. To play with your emotions, especially if you are in profit. To play with your emotions. When you place a trade, to allow the market or the price to go towards your direction for maybe about a minute or for 30 seconds, and you become excited. After, see the market changing direction, going straight to your stop loss. Or sometimes it won't even reach your stop loss, but they will push it closer to your stop loss, and you end up closing. After closing, then it goes towards your direction. So you see, it's very important to have a strong mentality when it comes to the market. You see, right now, there's temptation to enter a buy because there is a fair value gap. I'm being tempted, but I have to stick to my strategy, to my method of trading. You know, these are things that I look for always before I enter a trade, and it has worked for me. That's why I always look for the same things before I enter a trade, because it works. As long as I don't see my confirmation strategy, I won't enter a trade. I won't. I'll just be watching the market, maybe watching a movie on a side or doing something else, but monitoring the screen, looking at the screen, looking at what the market is doing, so that I don't miss an opportunity. So I don't want to miss this opportunity. If it happens that the price breaks above 64266, there is no liquidity sweep. Why would I enter? Because price must sweep liquidity. Right now, it's busy collecting those who are buying and those who are selling. It's busy collecting. It's busy collecting. These moves that you are seeing right now, that you are looking at, it's busy collecting. Price can sweep liquidity, then push again towards the upside, or it can just remove this thing. It can just shoot straight to the downside. So be patient, guys. Please be patient. This thing. Be patient. Be patient with this. setup. Then for gold, guys, hey, gold, I've managed to make money on gold yesterday, but I have some key levels for next week. See, I've already marked these key levels. Okay, this is what I'm expecting for next week, but let me remove this thing. These are the 3 areas that I will be monitoring and looking what gold is doing, and I'll use my confirmation strategy to execute when gold aligns with my confirmation strategy around these areas. Okay. This is gold. This is gold. I will be looking for buying opportunities around these areas if gold aligns with my confirmation strategy. Then I will be taking a buy around these areas on gold. Yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin. This free stuff, man, it's killing me. What are you expecting on gold for next week, guys? What's your technical analysis on gold? If you are a gold trader, if you're trading gold, want to know what's your view for gold for next week. This is Bitcoin, guys. Ne? This is an analysis on Bitcoin. This is an analysis for Bitcoin. And what you are looking at, what you see on my chart, these are trend lines. This is what I'm expecting. I'm not saying the market will move according to how I placed these trend lines. Okay, but it's what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do before. This is part of my confirmation strategy. I'm looking for something like this. I always look for something like this at an area of sensitivity. It can be a support or resistance. I'm always looking for something like this before I take a trade. So it's for educational purposes. Martin says buy. I think it's very early for us to buy, Martin. I don't know. Have you bought? Have you placed a buy? Is it about to shoot up? Because I'm patiently waiting for it to break up at least above before I can confidently place a buy. So right now I don't see any liquidity sweep. There's no liquidity sweep, and I've noticed that most of the time around such areas it can be a support or order block or if you have a gap, whatever. But around such areas, guys, you must expect liquidity sweep because they know that people are placing their orders at a support. Seclamin 101% going down. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for it to break above before I take a buy. I'm waiting because I know what the market would do. I know can sweep liquidity, can shoot down, take everyone out. Those who bought early can take them out before going up. But I doubt that Bitcoin, I honestly doubt that Bitcoin will I doubt that Bitcoin will break below this area. I doubt. If it will go down, it will just come around here, sweep liquidity, then from here go back up. Yeah, these are the two scenarios that can happen. It can come here, from here, then shoot towards the upside. But for now, guys, wait and watch. Get yourself some popcorns or watch a movie and just watch what the market is doing. Martin, look, buy. I know, man, I'm not going to buy now. I'm not going to to buy now. I would wait. It can be a trap. It can be a trap because there is a resistance here, man. There is resistance here. You can see there's resistance around this area. There's resistance here. So why would I buy? Because there's a resistance here. You see, that's why I'm patiently waiting. For it to break above that area. If you bought around the fair value gap, it's an aggressive entry. Yeah. It's an aggressive entry because you are actually predicting where the market will go. And remember, in the market, it's very dangerous to predict. We are not here to predict. We are here to react to what the market is telling us. So right now, there's nothing that the market is saying. It's just consolidating. There's no clear direction right now, to be honest. There's no clear direction. I'm just for the past, we have been live for about, this is 1 hour 15 minutes, and Bitcoin has been just consolidating, moving up and down, up and down, up and down for the past 1 hour. Is it Miren Azizi at price 64771 is a resistance range, and one can take a scalp trade at 64771. A scalp trade for a buy or for a sell. Mirena Zizi. Hey, guys, will forgive me if I pronounce your names. Yeah. At price 64771 is a resistance range, and one can take a scalp trade. C77 64 64771. Where is 64771? Around here. You take a scalp trade for a buy or for what? Hey, I don't know which strategies you guys are using, but yeah, I won't just pick a. You take a scalp trade for a buy. Mirena's is, yeah. See, yeah. Forgive me, sir, if I pronounce your name incorrect. Yes. I want to know if we are taking a scalp trade for a buy or for a sell. Let me check. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. Oh, now I see what Miren is talking about. This it's for a scalp, for a sell. 771. Yeah. Friday 24 candle. Okay, let me see. Friday 24 candle. Now this one. I see now. Which candle you're talking about. I see the candles that you're talking about. While you are waiting for Bitcoin, let's check Ethereum. Still waiting for gold for Bitcoin to take Ethereum. ETH Ethereum. Let's try to break down Ethereum. Veld, everybody buy now. Are you sure? Are you sure? Veld is saying we should buy Bitcoin. We're just saying, brother, it's just Bitcoin. Yeah, man, Bitcoin is very aggressive. Remember, guys, you can lose your whole uh, account. You can lose your money. So you must always trade with whatever that you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. ETH 1879 sell. I was about to analyze ETH, Ethereum, but I got distracted by Vels saying we should. Let me just analyze quickly. Let me see. I don't have any setup, so I'm going to break it down very fast and see what we get. Unfortunately, I only use price action. I don't use any indicators. I only use naked charts where I only use price action. Same applies, man. Same applies to each ETH. Waiting for a breakout. It's either it retests here, then goes up, or retests somewhere around here, then goes up. Okay. The reason why I'm saying, guys, you should wait for a breakout is because price can still tap around this area, then push towards this zone. It's possible for price to just do like this. Price can just do like this. Okay, before it goes up, can come here, and then from there push up. Okay, but for if you want to buy, if you are looking for buying opportunities, I would suggest that you wait for price to break above, maybe come back, retest around this area or here, then from here you look for confirmation or whatever strategy that you use for confirmation, or here you look for confirmation for buy, and then you target this area. So target this area. Yeah, that's it on ETH. Then ETH USDT. ETH USDT. Do I have it here? Let's just check Bitcoin. What's happening on Bitcoin? ETH USDT. This thing, I don't see price now. I want to see the price. USDT, ETH, USDT, ETH, USDT. It's the same. Sell. Yes, we are going to, yes. It's the same with this one. This is a possible sell entry. Yeah. I agree. I agree with Miren. Yeah. There's a possible sell entry. Yeah. Pause. Possible sell zone. Possible sell zone, yeah. Yeah, it's a possible sell zone. So if you want to sell Ethereum, guys, you have to wait patiently, wait for it to come here. From here, you look for confirmation. It's very important, guys, you look for confirmation before you sell. You don't just sell because the market has touched your zone. You can sell there, then target here, or whatever order block that is here. Okay, yeah. But for now, I think you should wait for the market to break out of this zone. Break out. Let me just put this thing. This is what I'm expecting. I'm not saying the market will do exactly what I am showing you. It's just for me. It's just for me. Ignore this thing, guys. But it's what I'm expecting from. It's either to retest here or here or around here. The breakout will determine, to tell me. Okay. Yeah. That's Ethereum, guys. Set up on Ethereum. Then from here, you look for sell entry, for selling opportunities around this area. Okay. Look for a sell. Look for a sell around here. Look for a sell around here. Okay. Yeah. These guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin. See what Bitcoin is doing. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin. 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 Hey. Yeah. Been waiting for this thing to break out for the past 1 hour 45 minutes. Yeah. go back to Bitcoin. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe for more live sessions. Next week, we are focusing on gold. Next week. Like the live. Let's patiently wait for a breakout. Let's patiently wait for a breakout to avoid getting trapped. Guys, please like and sub. Like and sub. I'll really appreciate it, guys. I started the channel, I think. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are waiting for a breakout. If you are a trader, if you're a forex trader or crypto trader, please subscribe. Subscribe. Let's have these sessions together, guys. Let's share knowledge. Let's share setups. Yeah, I really appreciate. If you're a forex trader, if you're a crypto trader, please do subscribe. Subscribe and like the live video. Let's have these sessions together. Let's share insight, knowledge. No, Bitcoin sell. He's saying we should sell Bitcoin. And I'm saying we should wait. I'm saying you should wait, my brother. Wait for a breakout. Yes, Bitcoin can drop, guys. Bitcoin can drop. Like I said earlier, that Bitcoin, it can shoot to this zone. It can sweep liquidity. Then from this zone, shoot up. Two things that can happen on Bitcoin. That is why I'm saying we should wait. It can shoot down, come here, then from here, shoot towards the upside. But to be safe, let's just wait, because now there's nothing that is happening. There's nothing. It's busy collecting orders. People are entering. It's collecting liquidity. For the past 2 hours, it has been consolidating. No clear direction. So why would I why would I enter a sell or a buy while the market has no clear direction, guys? No, I'm not here to predict what the market is going to do. I'm here to react to whatever that the market is telling me. So far, these trend lines that you see on my chart, it's just for me. So I'm not saying Bitcoin would just do exactly as I drew on my chart. No. If you're a forex trader, please like, subscribe. If you're a crypto trader, like and sub. Let's share knowledge. Let's share knowledge. We'll have these sessions, these live sessions where we share knowledge. As you can see here, we have Miren is saying we sell Ethereum at 1880 and we sell Bitcoin at 65027, which are zones that I think, yes, they are valid for those entries. Yeah, they are valid for those entries. Then Velt said we should just buy Bitcoin and hold. And I'm saying, guys, we should wait. You see what is happening right now? Let me just zoom so that you guys see what is happening. People are going to lose money. Those who bought early here. Go. Bitcoin is very aggressive, guys. We're about to see a bomb. We're about to see a bomb here. It can just shoot to the downside, then later shoot to the upside. You see, it's now testing entering the fair value gap. And those who bought, they are crying now. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening on Bitcoin. You see why it's very important for you to wait for confirmation. It's very important, guys, to wait for confirmation. Don't just enter because you are predicting or you are feeling like it will go up. Market doesn't react because of your feelings. Even if you are prayerful, the market it won't react because we have prayed, man. If you're a trader, uh, if you are a forex trader, please subscribe so that we share. We will have these live sessions where we share knowledge. Nope has made money. He said we should sell. And you see what Bitcoin is doing. It's dropping, man. It's dropping. Please write the entry point for the trade, the exit point for the trade, and the type of the trade. Nope should just send us the entry points and exit point because it's saying you should sell. Looking at what is happening. I'm not comfortable with the buy with the sell. I'm not comfortable. I'll just wait for a break above this area, break above this area. Then yeah, I'll buy. For now, just sit back and watch what is happening. Mirena, are you asking for entry point from me or from no? Currently, I don't have entry and exit points, but still waiting for confirmation. When I get the confirmation, then yeah, I'll give the entry and exit points. Because if Bitcoin does exactly what I'm looking for, we'll have a very nice trade. A very nice trade. A trade that will make me to relax and not react out of emotions. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Trying to grow the community. Let's share knowledge, let's share insight, let's share setups or signals. Let's share. This is the only area that I'm comfortable with the sell. So only area. Unless we are going to have a breakup block there. Davido, sell 64001 FVG. 001 FVG. So let me see. I mean, yeah. 400. Why are we selling there, man? You see, the FVG is being tested currently. So Copper is saying not respect to FVG, Bitcoin going to 63,800. 63,800, which is this area. Yeah, I agree. If it breaks below, then we're coming here. If you are going to take a sell here, it will be a very short-term sell. You target this area or this one, not this one. These are areas that you can target if you are going to take a sell. But I wouldn't advise. I'm not a financial advisor. There's FVG. I'm going to remove it, guys, because it was not respected. It's no longer an FVG. It's no longer an FVG. Okay, so it's no longer that important. But we are still waiting for the market to do something like this. We'll still wait for market to do something like this. Okay, still waiting. For now, if you are going to take a sell, is an area that you should target. Okay, if you are going to enter now here, the stop loss should be right above here. Then, yeah, if you are going to take a sell, but I'm not advising you to take a sell. These are just points. Okay. You can just use this you can use this as your stop loss, Use this area as your stop loss, and then you target here on here. Are you guys making money? Oh, it's a long story. Guys, please subscribe, turn on the bell for post notification because as you can see here, it looks like are going to wait for a very long time because we are waiting for a break and close. So I would have to end the live session and come back when the price is broken above uh, our zone. So for now, good luck on those who've entered a sell. But us who are looking for buying opportunities will have to wait. We'll have to wait for a breakout. So I'm signing out. Shalom.